I hope everybody has gone through the formulas which I gave yesterday, sir. Any formulas on నేర్చుకోండి sir. This is very, very important. Okay, based on that, let us solve some problems. Okay, look at here. So many problems will be there, sir. Find the derivative of root x plus 2 into x power 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Now look at the solution. Root x can be written as x by 1 by 2. Put a dash like this, means it is a derivative, sir. Okay, similarly plus 2 into derivative plus 3 into derivative. So if I put a line like this, it is a derivative. X power n derivative. What is the formula? N into x power n minus 1. This is a formula. Right, this formula you have to apply. So here n is what? 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1. Next 2 into 3 by 4 x power 3 by 4 minus 1 plus 3 into 5 by 6 minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, right? Plus 2 will get cancelled, 3 by 2 x power 3 by 4 minus 1. So minus 1 by 4, 3 will get cancelled. 5 minus 1 by 6. So application of the formula. What is the formula? X power n formula I have applied. Right? Next. I am putting arrow here. X square minus 3 4 cube 4x cube plus 1. Right? First open the brackets, sir. X square into 4x square 4x power 5 x square into 4x cube 4 into x power 5 plus x square, then minus 3 into 12 x cube minus 3, right? No, 4 into x power 5 derivative plus x square derivative. Here there is nothing is there. It is important, sir. Here 3 derivative you write directly. What is that? If there is no x terms కనుక లేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్గా నెంబర్కే డెరివేటివ్ ఫామ్ పెట్టాలి సార్. అగైన్ x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1 and constant derivative 0. So 4 into here 5 into x power minus 1 plus 2 into x power 2 minus 1 minus 12 into 3 into 3 minus 1 minus 0. Why? Constant derivative 0, sir. So this becomes 20 x power 4 plus 2 power x minus 6 square. Please go through the problem, sir, as many times. Chala solve chuskondi, sir. You are applying the formula. This is the formula I am applying. X power n into derivative is n into x power n minus 1. Right? Please note on this. Next problem. Root x plus 1 into plus 2. Right? Root x plus 1 into x square minus 4x plus 2. First open the bracket. Root x into x square minus 4x into root x plus 2 root x. So root x into x square minus 4x into root x, 2 root x plus x square minus 4x plus 2. Right here, root x means x power 1 by 2. Plus 2. So this is base are same, add the powers. 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Base are same, add the powers. So 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Plus 2. Now I am finding the derivative. So I am writing here. Derivative minus derivative x per derivative. Right? Now which formula I am applying? X power n derivative, x power n minus 1. So this becomes five by 2 minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus here when there is nothing, what is that we are write? X power 1 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది సార్? 1 into x power 1 minus 1 plus constant derivative 0, constant derivative 0. So 5 by 2 x power 3 by 2, 2 will get cancelled 2 times, so it becomes 6 n by 2 and 2 will get cancelled minus 1 by 2. Right? Next 2 minus 1 is 1, 2x minus 4, 1 minus 1 0, anything raised to 0 1, so 0 is not there. So this is the answer. So first we have opened the bracket, then applying the formula. Okay, this is a basic concept problem, sir. Okay, basic concepts. Okay. Next. Now most important from here. Sin x and cos x. Now you call it as UV. Yesterday I gave. What is the UV formula? U dash V plus U dash V. What is the formula? U dash V plus V dash U. So sin x derivative into cos x plus cos x derivative into sin x. This is a U, this is V. U dash V, V dash U. What is sin x derivative? Cos x plus cos x derivative minus sin x. So cos x into cos x, cos square x minus sin square x. Cos x into cos x, cos square x, sin x into sin x, sin square x with minus sin. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Clear? So we have applied UV formula, right? For example, a power x into log x. Again, this is u, this is v. Formula u dash v plus v dash u. So a power x log derivative into log x derivative into a power x. A power x derivative, a power x into log a. What is the a power x derivative? A power x into log a into log x plus log x derivative 1 by x into a power x. So what we have done? We have applied UV formula. For example, e power x sin x. Alright? E power x sin x. Again, UV formula. U dash v, v dash u. So e power x derivative sin x derivative into e power x. So e power x derivative, e power x into sin x plus sin x derivative cos x into e power x. Okay, so you have to apply UV formula. So here also we have applied UV formula and our applied our basic formulas. Okay, please note on this. Next, x cube e power x. Again, UV formula. What is the formula? U dash v. So x cube derivative into e power x derivative into x cube. So 3x square into e power x into x cube. Because x cube derivative, we are applying which formula? N into x power n minus 1. Which formula? N into x power n minus 1. So 3 into 3 minus 1, 2. So this will come plus x cube. Right? Next. X sin x. So here again u derivative v derivative u. So x derivative into sin x derivative into x. X derivative is 1. We know x derivative is 1 into sin x derivative cos x. Therefore, x cos x. Right? Now, sin x by sin x plus cos x. Now, please understand this now from here onwards. Now, we have to apply u by v formula by v square. So, u dash v minus v dash u by v square. So, u means this sir, the v sir. Appudu emovutundi sin x derivative into minus v dash into sin x by sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay, what is sin x derivative? Cos x. Cos x minus of sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x by denominator sin x plus cos x whole square. So now we'll open the bracket. Cos x into sin x, cos x sin x. Next cos x into cos x, cos square x minus of cos x sin x. Here minus of minus is plus sin square x by denominator sin x plus cos x whole square. These two will get cancelled. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 whole square. So what is the here important? The formula u by v formula. So we have seen uv, now we are seeing u by v formula. Okay, please note this. Now look at here. What is that? Y is equal to a minus x by a plus x. Find dy by dx. Again it is dy by dx, same method sir. Dy by dx and derivative. So dy by dx means derivative. What is the formula? U by v we have to write. So dy by dx is equal to u is the numerator, a minus x derivative into a plus x minus of a plus x derivative into a minus x divided by a plus x whole square, right? Now observe here a is a constant 0, x derivative 1, a derivative is constant 0, then x derivative is 1 into a plus x minus of 0 plus 1 into a minus x by a plus x whole square. Now open the bracket with minus 1 minus a minus x, here with minus 1. So minus a minus of minus is plus x by a plus x whole square. Plus x minus x will get cancelled. Minus 2a by a plus x whole square. What is important here? A derivative is a constant 0, x derivative 1. This you have to remember. A derivative constant which is 0, x derivative is 1. Okay, whenever you find x, derivative of x is 1. And he says dy by dx, you write dy by dx. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, please note down. Okay, find the derivative of ax plus b by cx plus d. Okay, now again u by v formula. U by v formula, u dash v minus v dash u by v square. So ax plus b derivative into cx plus d minus of cx plus d derivative into ax plus b by v square means cx plus d whole square. Now ax derivative, ఇక్కడ important sir, a into x derivative. Here only keep the a aside, x derivative is 1. So a into 1, derivative of b is 0 into cx plus d minus of cx plus d, x derivative 1 sir, c plus d 0 into ax plus b. Okay, by cx plus d whole square. Right, now a into cx plus d minus c into ax plus b by cx plus d whole square. Now open the bracket, acx plus ad minus acx minus bc by cx plus d whole square, cancel, by whole square. So same formula, but here ax derivative, a into x derivative, cx derivative, c into x derivative is 1. Okay, please note down this.